So, something a bit different in the workshop today. We've got a Skoda Octavia VRS. And the reason this is in the workshop is not for something greasy and oily, but for something fun. That would be a centre box delete kit. So, we're going to cut the old box, much like we did on the 140 a while ago, and we're going to fit the new section. And to do this job, we have a cool new tool. So this is an in-situ pipe cutter. So you can see, like your pipe cutter you have for doing your plumbing, it's got a cutting edge here and a little wheel, but it's got loads of them. So rather than having to rotate all the way around, you can cut a pipe that's in situ, even if you've got limited access. As long as you can get this round, you only need to then turn it a couple of degrees each way, because you've got so many little teeth there, it will eventually cut through. So that should make the job relatively easy. Fingers crossed. So I'm underneath the car now. You can see the box that's coming out. So essentially we cut just after this turn here, so about there, and it looks like it's sleeved already a bit further down. So we undo that sleeve, and in theory, that just drops out. We may have to remove some trim here and take this brace off, but hopefully not. With that special tool, we can cut this in situ. So once this is ticked cool, we can start pulling it all apart. Okay, so you can see I've already marked up. So it's about 6 inches from the right hand side of this pipe to the point at which you need to cut to sleeve the new pipe in. Now there's actually, by the looks of things, 3 little dimples in the bottom of the pipe there. So I presume these are marked up for various optional extras or different boxes. This might be something you can get from the factory. So we're going to cut it at the first one. See how we get on, and then if we need to cut it a bit further, we can always cut it a bit further back. So first job is to get the fancy new tool. So we should be able to cut through here. It's still got the mount on here, so that'll hold it in place. Once we cut it, it's not going to drop. And then, because this is a bit more of a hands-off job, we can go and then take the sleeve off, which is way down here, which means getting your hands a bit close to the exhaust while this is still cooling off. It looks like that sleeve is just 2 15mm bolts, which would be dead easy. Right, let's get the new tool in. So the new tool has sort of worked. I didn't get it perfectly lined up, so there's a tiny little bit that's just a bit skew. So I'm going to have to just nip it with the grinder just there, and then the pipe should be off. So, very nearly there. There's a tiny little bit just at the top that's not quite through, but actually that's kind of holding the pipe in place. So next job is to get this rubber off, which is always a pain in the proverbial. And Dr. Nuff is busy undoing the clamp, has done undoing the clamp up at the front. So he's just waiting for me now, as usual. is in, slides in at the front, And then that should slide over like that when it's in the right slot. I'm not holding a phone. There is something quite beautiful about a double flexed handle ratchet. No doubt about that.
Are you going to say that on your video?
Huh?
There's something quite beautiful about the double flexed ratchet handle. Shut up, James Mangas.
That feels pretty tight. With that? Right, let's put the car on the ground. Right, let's hear what an Octavia VRS with a removed centre box sounds like. Sorry, Resonator.
Resonator.
Got it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.